Hi, Yefo. Welcome to your second lesson in ICT this week. Today is Wednesday, the 8th of April. Yesterday we were working on PowerPoint, and today we continue working on PowerPoint, but this time we will be actually trying out different features or working with different features of PowerPoint. So in your last lesson, you had to create an actual newspaper article where you had to insert your own audio description. But today we are going to focus on video. So basically in the future, it might happen that you will be creating a PowerPoint presentation and you will want to actually insert a video into your PowerPoint presentation. I know that, as you know, we can insert the YouTube link directly into the PowerPoint presentation, but if you don't want to do that, there's another option, and I'm going to show it to you. So what do we have to do? Let me minimize my video. There we go. So what are we going to do? First of all, okay, I'm just going to show you the PowerPoint for the lesson. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Yes, that's right. Okay. All right. So basically, all the steps that we will go through today are included on this PowerPoint presentation. So in case you get stuck or you're not sure how to do certain steps, you can always go back and read through them just in case. But I am, of course, going to demonstrate and show you how we are going to be, or what are we going to be doing. So step number one, you have to choose from one of the following topics. You have to choose either flooding, hurricane, tornado, thunderstorm, earthquake, or volcano eruption. You will have to, again, either write a newspaper article about some kind of volcano eruption that happened. You can even write about, let's say we've had volcano eruption in Abu Dhabi, okay, like a piece of news, or you can just generally write like an information article in a magazine about volcanoes or earthquakes, okay? That is completely up to you. So what do you need to do now? You need to open, once you choose your topic, open a PowerPoint application on your computer. So I am going to go on File, New, because my PowerPoint is already open, and I'm going to choose a nice template that I really like. And I'm going to choose, this one. I like it. I'm going to choose the purple color. I really like the purple color. Okay, there we go. So let's say I'm going to choose hurricanes, okay? So what I'm going to do, gonna write it, and then in the subtitles or in the text box under it, I'm gonna write my name by Christina Stanova. Of course, guys, you write your own name and then right click new slide. In the title text box, you will again write the topic of your choice, hurricanes. That's my topic of choice. You will write your own topic. All right, first of all, I need to do a little bit of research, right? So what I have to do, I have to go on Google and I'm gonna type in hurricane, okay? Or I'm gonna write what is hurricane? What is hurricane? Okay, all right, here's an article that looks kind of legitimate. So let's take a look at it. What is a hurricane? Okay, I like this text. So if you like a text, you can just highlight it, okay, like this. Right click, copy, and then right click, paste. You have three options. You can choose the first one. Okay, that's one thing, but this is not enough text. So I'm gonna look at other things. A tropical cyclone is a rotating low pressure weather system. Okay, tropical cyclones. Okay, I like this piece of text too. So I'm gonna right click, copy, right click, paste. Okay, so I have 2 bullet points. I can make it into 3. I can split this text. Okay, all right. If you don't like how big the text box is, you can actually change its size. I told you just drag one of these circle shaped um, um, points around the in the corners of the text box, and just drag it or just change the size. Okay, it's up to you. I like this size. I like that it looks this way, and on the right side I will want to put in a video. Okay, now you will need to find a video of a hurricane. Okay, I am going to find a video of a hurricane. You find the video of whatever you are doing. So if you're doing a volcano, if you're doing a flooding, okay, you will have to find a video of that. So how can we do this? Okay, YouTube, guys, go on YouTube. And I'm gonna type in hurricane, okay, uh, footage, okay. And I'm gonna choose, guys, choose like a video that is maximum 2 to 3 minutes. Here is a like a 3 minute one. New, okay. Your hair's immunity with well, I have the ad as always. Um, so okay, I like this video. So what do I do? Click one. This is the address bar in your browser. I'm just going to do one click. As you can see, it selected all of the address. Right click, copy. Now, once I copied it, I need to download this video. So there are some free softwares on the internet that where you can actually download um, um, a video. I actually included in my PowerPoint. So just you can open the PowerPoint. Okay, and it should open. Yes. So this is, please guys, use this link because the others don't always work or there's a lot of heavy advertising going on. So just go for this one, okay? Now, my video, I need to just make sure it's copied. So right click, copy. Now, right click, paste, download. And now, guys, scroll down. Don't click on one of these. Click on this one, okay? This is the link, because if you click on one of these two buttons, it will take you, it says advertisement under it. It will take you to an advertisement. Don't click that, okay? So click on this one, download, okay? Now it's asking me, all right, so save. And then you can click on open folder. It usually saves into downloads. And as I can see, it's in downloads for me, okay? So that's where my video is, downloads. Okay, good. So now, how can you put this video into your PowerPoint presentation? Now, let's go back to my PowerPoint. Here it is. So, insert, video on my PC, on my computer. And I just remembered that I downloaded it into downloads. So I click on downloads. And here is my video, hurricanes, insert. Okay, and the video is actually here. You can again adjust the size if you want it taller or shorter or less narrow, up to you. Okay, so here is my video. Okay, so